Hello everyone, myself Nimesh Rathod from Mechanical Branch. Today's my topic is flow process diagram of industrial robotics applications and manufacturing. Here you can see the several application of industrial robotics which is as follows. First, logistic and transportation. Second, material handling. Third, material transfer. Fourth, machine loading or unloading. Fifth, processing operation. 6. Engineering laboratories. 7. Automobile engineering. 8. Manufacturing. 9. Construction. And last one is agriculture. Industrial robots. A typical industrial robot is a robot arm with several independent joints, and you will see them welding, painting and handling heavy materials. Pick and place robots can move products from a conveyor belt to package them at very quick speeds. An example of a mobile robot that is in common use today is the automated guided vehicle. An automated guided vehicle is a mobile robot that follows markers or wires in the floor or uses vision or lasers. Robots are very useful in food processing since it needs to be done in a germ-free environment. Palletizer. Palletizer is used for stacking products on pallets for shipping and storage. This diagram is a robotic paint sprayer. Space robots. NASA is constantly developing and producing robots which can perform maintenance in space, especially on its International Space Station. There are some major fields of robotics which is as follows. First, human robotics interface. Second, mobility or locomotion. Third, manipulation. Fourth, programming. And fifth one is sensor and perception. There are several areas of manufacturing where robotics technology are used. As you can see, first one is aerospace. Second is automotive manufacturing. Third, chemical, rubber and plastic manufacturing. The robots eliminated dangerous jobs for humans because they are capable of working in hazardous environments. They can handle lifting heavy loads, toxic substances and repetitive tasks. This has helped companies to prevent many accidents, also saving time and money. Fourth one is electrical and electronics. Fifth, entertainment movie making. Sixth one is foodstuff and beverage manufacturing. The main advantages of robotics technology are in the manufacturing because robots don't need breaks and not get distracted. And other advantages is consistency. Robots never need to divide their attention between a multitude of things. The seven manufacturing area is glass, ceramics and mineral production. 8. Printing. And 9 and last one is wood and furniture manufacturing. So these are the manufacturing areas of robots. There are many areas where robotics technology is works like a human. Thank you.